In this video, a lot of us were waiting for these to come out. Electrician screwdrivers there in a box. I think it's about an inch wide, that. A guillotine, that's a good price. Run off the 20-volt battery. Well, I've certainly not seen one in the UK. A performance one. The drum brush sander. If you've already got one in the UK, on wheels inside there, or I've got one of these, I showed it in a video, and coming to the UK for €30. And the Parkside Performance cheapest 5-inch grinder fitting toilet seats. So on this page, first tool, and what do you think to this? In the lead up to the Parkside tool drop in Lidl this Sunday, well, in most stores anyway, thought it'd be fun, or it might make me a little bit jealous, as you might, to have a look what Parkside tools are coming out in Lidl in Germany. This current week, next week and the week after, so many tools that we're missing out on. On the other hand, it might give us hope that these are going to come in our stores, but also, if you comment below on the tools you see that you want in the UK, you never know, Lidl might be watching. Make sure you subscribe, because the more subscribers I've got, the reach will be better. This is our mission, to bring more Parkside tools to the UK. More reason for me to get over to Germany, which I will be soon. I wonder what sort of emotions this brings on for you. Jealousy, hope, anger, whatever it is, sit back, relax, keep calm. I know I've got a calm velvet tone. Let's have a look what our friends in Germany, the lucky so-and-sos, are getting. Also, give me a thumbs up, that'll help our reach as well. So, fellow sheddies and tool lovers, stop the waffle and get on with it. Hello, sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. So I typed Lidl Germany into Google and then straight onto their website. And there's 3 brochures on the go, full of loads of Parkside tools. Let's go on to the first one, 13th to the 18th of July. Putting tools aside for a second, there's loads of stuff to get in these brochures. About 70-something pages, better than our 30-something. Let's go straight on to the tools pages. First I'll translate into English. There we go, that's better. It saves me guessing like I did last time. And there we go, first page, Arnie's on there. And you notice a lot of these tools we've seen before. But you wait as we go through these brochures, there's some crackers that we certainly haven't seen before. Here we go, look, 73 pages. Let's wait for the translation to kick in. There we go. Nice set of VDE or electrician screwdrivers there in a box. They'd swap out bits or blades for €10, and then the VDE pliers and snips, and the loose electrician screwdrivers. The infrared thermometer for €8. We've seen them before, but not as cheap as that. And extension leads for €4. And the next page, moisture detectors. There's the stud wall finder. Tools we've seen before, and the laser tripod that was out recently in the UK, multimeter, and on this page, some tools we have not seen for a while, i.e. that benchtop belt sander. We'll come on to that. This is a whopper of a toolkit, 122 pieces, €100. And there we go, there's the benchtop belt sander. I think it's about an inch wide, that. I've got one of these, but it's a Van House one, which I did a video on a while back. Plus, I've done a load of videos on these tools, all on my channel. This one's got a grinder on the other side. Be good to see that coming back in the UK. €40. And on the next page is this filler for tile or wood. 2 different sorts of wax, different colours, and it's got a melter with it as well. I've got some of them. They're on videos on my channel. There's a tool below. Interesting to see. I've not seen one before. 65-piece set here, but a lot of the pieces will be the wedges or packers that go around the outside of laminate flooring. It's the toolkit for fitting laminate floor, the mallet, the packers, the puller, and the knee pads. And on the other side, magnetic tools, including the strip, €3. They're coming out in the UK this Sunday. And here we go. Look, I've never seen one of these before. Certainly not used one. A laminate cutter for €20, reduced to, looks like a bit of a guillotine. Let us know if you've got one of these, and if you use one, how good are they? And again, any of these tools you want to see in the UK, you never know, Lidl might watch this. And we've seen that before for €10, the fold-out trolley, and all the many thousands of precision screwdriver sets they do. Few things new on this page. First tool, and what do you think to this for €170, reduced from 200. Maximum cutting length, 1370mm. It's a glow wire, hard foam cutting device. I like to give that a bash. I can imagine that to be very satisfying. Next tool, I've got one of these, done a video on it. It's the compound miter saw, the sliding one for €90. I've not seen these come out since I bought mine over a year ago. Really handy, good bit of kit. I've used it loads. And because it's sliding, good for doing rebates. Seen the standard Parkside miter saw come out recently, but not the sliding one. And the 20-volt cordless drill. Again, we've seen these quite a bit in the UK, but we've not seen the leaf blower vac at the side there. I wonder if that's coming in the UK. And we've seen this before for €150, the robotic lawnmower, but they do the Parkside Performance one for €460. Bit of an animal, you'd have hoped. That's a good price for €20. The 4-amp-hour battery, it's the new one. And then for €30 is the new style Parkside Performance 4-amp-hour battery, which is the same size as the 2-amp-hour traditional battery. And you'll notice a lot of these are online only. Be good to have the choice, wouldn't it? Anyway, next page. And there's a tool on here, a lot of people waiting to come out. But first, the 2-amp-hour 20-volt battery for €50. And the charger there, look, the single one. I've not seen one of them come out in the UK. And have a look at this. A lot of us were waiting for these to come out. The battery-powered sealant gun. I'm sure someone mentioned in the past they've got one of them and they're really good. And the 20-volt cordless stapler nailer. I've got one of them. It's on my channel if you want to have a look. €30. Don't think I've ever seen one of these in the UK. I saw one in Rhodes when I was there on holiday. It's the 20-volt cordless ceiling and wall sander. And we've seen these before, the angled impact wrench. 20-volt, it says screwdriver on there, but I think it's a translation error. €35. And then through a load of pages we're not interested in, back to the tools. And this has got to be one of the cheapest pressure washers I've seen, down to €30. Well, certainly an inroad into pressure washing. And then on the right there, we've got something new. Well, I've certainly not seen one in the UK. It's a paint thickness measurer. Down to €13. They've certainly got a tool for everything, haven't they? A load of different coloured heat shrink. We've seen all this before, €2. Buffing pads, we've seen those recently for €8. And then the crawler and the stool together. I'm sure that's another tool that comes out this Sunday, if it comes out in your area. And on to next week's brochure, which is from the 20th to the 25th of July. And skip a load of pages we're not interested in. And the first page, we've seen already the mower, or the robotic mower, with its little garage and the strimmer. We've seen that, of course, in the UK, the petrol one. But what about this? I've come across this before when I was going through other brochures in Europe. And it's the solar panel to charge a robotic lawnmower. So if you've already got one in the UK, would one of these be any good for you? If so, put in the comments below. You never know, Lidl might see it. And on to the next page. The Parkside mains planer. Now, I've got the standard planer. I've done a video on it, but this is the performance one. And the standard one is really good. I'm well impressed with it. So this one must be a cracker. Notice what they've called it in the translation. The electric shovel. We could all do with one of them. Next is the mains breaker. We've got one of these coming out this Sunday. It's got the STS Max chisels on there. Similar price to the UK. And then there's the mains floor and wall sander. I've got one of these. I did a video on it a while back, but then I also showed it again in my last video, as it's also coming out again this Sunday, hopefully in your store. Quick interruption, only about 40 seconds long. I'm going to show you this again because every time I mention it, loads of you buy them. So you must like them as much as I do. And it's the Basecamp dust mask. I've shown this loads of times before. You get a discount with it, 10% with my code on the screen now. It's washable and it doesn't steam up your glasses. It's not a sponsored video, but you get a discount and I get a bit of a commission, which helps the channel. My go-to mask for virtually everything. I won't go into loads of details. I'll put the link below. Have a look for yourself. You swap the filters out. You get some filters with it. Breathable. Velcro on the back for the back of your head and then 2 loops to go over your ears. Really comfortable, molds to the shape of your face. Like I said, loads of you have bought one of these. Woodworking, gardening, sweeping up dust, painting, loads of applications. Check them out below. No fogginess on my goggles or my glasses, and they look cool, don't they? 10% discount in the description below. Next is the wet tile saw. I've got one of these. I showed it in a video. And for the money, very impressive. Have a look at this. It's like a drum brush sander. Bit of an extraction port on there as well, €50. And do you fancy a hot tub for £3 grand? If so, nip over to Germany with a van. Big van. Skip a few pages and then on to the next page. First of all, the robotic lawnmower's there again. Here's the cordless battery-operated pressure washer. Not the best, but it'll suit some. And the pruner there on the left. Got one of them. Done a video on it. A proper animal, but watch your fingers. I also did a video on the pressure washer if you're interested. Now, that's ridiculously cheap. The new 4-amp-hour battery with a charger, €15. And on to the next page. And first of all, hosepipe water guns. We've seen these before. And the tarpaulins. But here's some tools I've not seen before. First of all, on the right there, a little trolley of some sort. It's actually a seat for you doing your gardening, and you put all your tools inside the box itself. It's got a little tray that comes out as well, on wheels. Not a bad idea. Would that be something you could use for €20? If so, put it in the comments below. Next, I've seen these tools before, but not from Parkside, and I think they're quite handy if you've got a load of apple trees or pear trees. First of all, this grabber type thing with a little bag underneath. You just cup your apple in there, and then it falls into the bag. I think the handle extends as well, for €10. And next is the cage that rolls along on the floor and picks up apples. The bars of the cage sort of open up as it goes over the apple and they all collect inside there. I've got an apple tree and this will come in great use for that. Next is the long reach hedge trimmers. They are the mains version for €60. We've seen them before. And the last brochure from the 27th of July to the 1st of August. Flick through a few pages and first lot of tools. Similar to the rattle cans that are coming out in the UK this Sunday, except these are 750ml compared to 400. Bumper packs of paintbrushes for €10. Die grinder accessory kit there for €15. Or your fake Dremel or rotary tool. And I've not seen these come out for ages in the UK. The sprung clamps, nothing to write home about here. Silicone, parcel tape and super glue. And these pages here are really just telling you about the fact you can order these tools online, something that we can't do in the UK. Translated to, you grab it. I think that's click and collect. And if anyone works at Lidl, I always say this, let us know if click and collect or online tool purchases is coming to the UK anytime soon. Oh, there's the 20-volt cordless drill pack with the toolkit. I've got the 12-volt version, one of them. And there's the circular saw, the cordless one. Got one of those. It's okay for the thinner wood. It's only a small blade, though. And then we saw the big chipper shredder. There's the pressure washer, the big one. I've got one of them, shown it on a video. And the Parkside Performance impact wrench or ugger dugger or nut gun. We've not seen one of them in the UK yet. Cheapest 5-inch grinder I've seen, though. 13 euros it's been reduced to. What's that, about 11 quid? Drill bit set's coming out this Sunday. And there's some diamond drill bits there as well. Flappy wheels, sanders and grinding discs. We've seen all them. And then there's the mains version of a hammer drill, the big one, for 30 euros with a load of bits as well. Doesn't look bad. Oh, and there's that extra bit set there in a handled case for 15 euros. All SDS bits and chisels. And the next page, and there's some stuff at the bottom of here that we've not seen before. Well, I haven't anyway. Well, first of all, the inspection camera. There's a couple of sorts of them. One came out in the UK not so long ago. I've got all these, the PVC pipe cutters, the bolt croppers, and the pipe wrenchers. But what about these tools? Got the drain clearer there on like a drum. Collects the cable, collects up inside there, I'd imagine. You wind it. Trigger on there as well. And I like the look of this. Whether it's any good or not is a different matter. 5 euros for fitting toilet seats. It's always awkward, isn't it, fitting a toilet seat? And I suppose anything to do with the system that's hard to reach in awkward places. Next page, and first of all, the cooler. And this can be run off the 20-volt battery, or you can plug it into your car. Wonder if it rinsed the batteries, though. A load of joint cleaners and scrapers there. I've got some of these. Silicone sealant in the tubes, and then a shower door trim. And that's it. Put your comments below. You never know. Lidl might see it. For the giveaway, the sticker, I've got another one coming that's different, slightly different. You'll see later in another video. If you want to be entered, just put I'm in below, anything you like after it, or just I'm in on its own, and I'll pick a winner in another video. I never announce the winner in the comments. I don't let you know in any way that you've won. This stops the scammers pretending to be me and saying that you've won in the comments. Scammers out. Right, let's do results for the last giveaway. So as usual, I used a random comment picker off the Tinternet, and this time the winner is Les Bryden. Send me an email, it's in the description below. Well done. Keep your comments coming. New tool drop on Sunday. I know some stores aren't getting everything, but you never know, because when they come out in these brochures, that's only the bare minimum. So let's see. And a quick shout out, Nobby's Workshop. A lot of you might follow his channel already. If not, go and check him out. Top guy, top workshop. If you like workshops, you'll like his channel. Enough said, he'll tell you the rest. I'll put the link below. I'll put a link on the screen now to my other tool reviews, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers.
See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.